This movie is a short movie.
Okay, come on, Josh. It's time for dinner.
Oh my God!
Wake up. I'm shaking on this ball. You better wake up. Wake up, Josh. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
I better go call the police to put him in a coffin.
Girls, here to see us work on the motor because it's getting there.
Those jeans fit you great.
He was so young. They're just gonna have to put him in here until they bury him. They thought he was dead. What the? I'm in a coffin. Help! Help! Oh no, they buried me when I was just sleeping. But he was sleeping.